Welcome back to beautiful Majestic Oaks Golf Course here at Lake Laud Resort. My name is Joe Serpico, your manager of golf operations, and we continue along and play hole number 12 today. It is a little bit longer. It's 183 yards from the back tees, and we do have a pond on the right-hand side of the green, and on the left side, mostly through the whole fairway, if you will, there are trees on the left-hand side. So it's kind of a tight shot. Anywhere on the green is a win in this on this hole. So we're gonna take a 7-iron. We're gonna see what we can do. It's on the green. That's a win in my book. Found the green here. We've got about 10-15 feet left here for our birdie. It's kind of a straight putt. I have the best look at it. It's just straight up the hill. It's gonna maybe move a little bit to the left. So the biggest thing is getting the speed right because you are going up the hill. We're gonna see what we can do. Whoo! All right, -5. Made the 10 to 12 footer there. So we're gonna drop to -5 through 12 holes. Click like below and see what happens next on the short par 4.